Here we have a word problem. Okay, let's go with the information. For a certain commodity, the demand equation giving demand D in kilogram for a price P in dollars per kilogram is D equals to 100 times 10 negative P. The supply equation giving the supply S in kilogram for a price P in dollars per kilogram is S equals to 75 times P negative 3. Find the equilibrium price. So the equilibrium price is a price where the demand and supply are equal. So if I want to get equilibrium price, so I have to equate the demand and supply and solve for P, which refers to price in dollars. Okay, now let's equate the demand and supply. And for demand D, we have the expression equivalent to demand D is 100 times 10 negative P. So we can plug in this expression for D over here. So we get 100 times 10 negative P. And for supply, this is the expression we have that we can plug in for S over here. So I'm getting 75 times P negative 3. Okay, now we have to solve for P in this equation. Actually, P refers to the price. Since we have equated the demand and supply, the price I'm getting over here is the equilibrium price. Okay, now let's solve for P. So for that, I distribute this and 100 to 10 and P. Then I'll be getting 1000 negative 100 P. So now on the right side, I'm going to distribute the 75 to P and negative 3. I'll be getting 75 P negative 75 times negative 3 will be negative 225. Okay, here we are trying to solve for P, but the variable P appears on both sides of the equation. So either the variable P has to appear on the left side or right side. Okay, we can get rid of the variable P on the left side because it contains negative sign. So for that, we have to add 100 P to both sides. I'm adding 100 P to both sides. The negative 100 P, positive 100 P will cancel out. I get 1000 equals to, when I combine 75P and 100P, it will be 175P negative 225. Okay, now let's add 225 to both sides. Actually, we have to isolate P. For that, we have to get rid of all the values around the variable P. So to get rid of this negative 225, I'm just adding 225 to both sides. When I do so, negative 225, positive 225 will cancel out. The simplification of this one is 1225 equals to 175P. Okay, let me write the same equation over here. So 1225 is equal to 175P. Okay, to solve for P, I have to get rid of this 175 multiplied here. So I divide both sides by 175. So here 175 will cancel out. So when I divide 1225 by 175 on the left side, I am getting 7 equals to P on the right side. So we get P equals to 7. Actually, this is the equilibrium price because we just equated the demand and supply and solve for P. So whenever I equate the demand and supply and solve for price, that price refers to equilibrium price. So the equilibrium price is $7.